You rely on your oscilloscope to give you an accurate picture of your signals, under all conditions. The quicker, the better. That's why the Agilent InfiniiVision series of oscilloscopes are engineered for the best signal visibility. At bandwidths from 100 MHz to 1 GHz, this general-purpose series offers form factors and price points for your diverse needs. See a display more representative of the actual signals under test than with any other scope. See jitter, infrequent events, and critical signal detail that other scopes miss. At the heart of all InfiniiVision scopes is Agilent's third-generation MegaZoom 3 ASIC technology. It's engineered to deliver the industry's highest uncompromised waveform update rate and usable deep memory. The benefits? Knobs and controls are always responsive, even with deep memory, mixed-signal oscilloscope digital channels, or serial protocol decode enabled. With update rates as much as 5,000 times faster than competitive products, you'll see critical signal detail that other scopes miss. Infrequently occurring events that might never be captured with other oscilloscopes are quickly displayed so you don't miss problems. The InfiniiVision lineup includes 4 different form factors. The flagship InfiniiVision 7000 series of mixed-signal oscilloscopes and digital storage oscilloscopes features a 12.1-inch XGA display, the largest in its class. This extremely quiet package is just 6.5 inches deep and weighs only 13 pounds. Start with a DSO and upgrade later to an MSO as need or budget require. The InfiniiVision 6000 series of MSOs and DSOs sport a traditional rugged form factor. Optional battery operation for applications where line power is not available allows even more versatility. Again, MSO upgrade kits allow you to add functionality later. The InfiniiVision 5000 series of DSOs offer attractive entry price points. They feature a small and compact form factor that weighs only 9 pounds and is perfect for use anywhere, including rack mount or bench applications. Unique to the industry, the 6000L series features 1 U-high versions for rack mount automated test applications. All InfiniiVision series scopes use common software for compatibility. Plus, a wide variety of automatic measurements and optional application software packages can simplify your most common tasks. Choose the bandwidth, form factor, price point, and feature set that's right for your needs. All InfiniiVision scopes are engineered for the best signal visibility on every measurement you make.